Hello and welcome back to the Car Ghost channel. Today we're doing minor cosmetic upgrades to Slate. Namely, we're going to be darkening the tail lights, and we're gonna be doing one more thing, but to see that you're gonna have to wait till the end of the video. And a garbage truck passes by on cue. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, Slate is my 2006 Mercedes-Benz C350 that I'm doing some minor work on. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. Why not? I brought the car to Phill, who is a professional plastic dip installer. We'll wait for the train. Phill is a professional plastic dip installer that I know for a while. His Instagram is ProDipper. At Instagram ProDipper. His link will be in the description, and some of the work he does, all of the work he does, is actually magnificent. Plastic dip has gone a long way, and it went from something that is looking like painted with a roller to something that is looking extremely like paint, but also peelable. So you get tired of the color, peel it right off. I'll show you what I mean. Right here, we have a 750 BMW that has some plastic dip on and some plastic dip off. So it's super easy to just grab for the edge of the paint and just peel a piece of it. I'll see if we can do that a little bit later, but I'm gonna go inside and talk to Phill, and we'll leave the car, I guess. It's gonna be a 24-hour process for this small job because we need the paint to dry. Because we need a good job on Slate. But for you, it will be a few seconds. So I'm going in. Also, here is the back, and I'm going to take a second while there is no train above me to show you what I'm doing. We're going to be plastic dipping, smoking these tail lights, but what I decided is to leave these white parts right here pure white. I don't want to smoke those because it's illegal to have your reverse lights tinted. So we're gonna leave those and we're gonna smoke the rest lightly, and I can't wait to see what the outcome would be. I'm super excited. Alright, so we got Phill right here, ProDipper on Instagram. Check his work, the magnificent, all of it. He works on cars like Aventador and this 750i. He just wanted to show you how reversible the plastic dip is these days, and with good application it just comes right off. Like, there we go, nice and simple, and you have the original color of the car intact and actually protected as well. So if you ever need a plastic dip job, here's your guy.
This is actually Autoflex, which is the higher end coating of it. This is a little bit more durable. It will last you anywhere from 6 to 7 years. It comes in a matted and a gloss finish. So, it's not, but you get the idea. It's cool stuff.
What amazes me the most is how easy and how durable the paint is. First, it's durable, and then whenever you decide to take it off, it just comes right off. Like, we did this panel in a matter of like a minute, and you know what? It's just amazing. All right,
no
Phill?
glue residue, which is best.
Yeah, no glue residue at all. Paint is intact underneath, and yeah, if you need even a simple paint protection, it looks good, correct?
That's right. Comes in you could just do regular clear. You don't have to do a color. So if you love the original color of your car and you just want to protect the actual original color, you could actually do a 12 coats of the clear, just like this, in either matted or gloss.
All right, so I'm leaving you my baby. You're gonna do the tail lights for me, and then one more accent that I have not disclosed yet, but you're gonna see that when I come back to pick it up. And all right, I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm really excited about this. I just remembered why I hate riding the train in rush hour. For you might have been a few seconds, but today, now it's like 5 o'clock and next day. Can't wait to see Slate. Luckily I don't ride the train always in rush hour, but it's brutal when I do. Let's go. First thing I saw when I came in the shop is, look at that BMW. Yeah, it's no longer white, and it actually looks pretty good. I like the original color a little more than the white that it was, but it was a really quality made white. Look at this, it's like white gloss. It's really cool, and it's really cool how well protected the car is, and yeah, there is no blue residue on it whatsoever. Yeah, Pro Dipper. I'm waiting over here in the office, and it's a pretty nice office, but I don't know if I mentioned I left my GoPro with Phill, so if he did get any footage on, I'm gonna cue it now before I review the car to myself, because I want to show you my genuine reaction. But first I want to see what he has to say. Oh boy, I just got the key, and here's Slate. Look at that. This is so tastefully done, and I am so fucking pumped. The tint is not dark at all. I mean, not like murdered out. The white part is left white. I think he either sanded this and made it with a clear coat, so it looks really good. Oh my god, look at that. I was so freaking excited for this thing, and it actually props for Pro Dipper. This thing came out fantastic. And I was gonna do a small little project underneath the hood of the car, painting some of the elements Ferrari red, but they had trouble taking off the airbox off the engine, which means I'm gonna bring it back for another episode, which is actually a good thing. I love this little collaboration that we did with Pro Dipper. And oh my goodness, let me show you again. Look at this. Super happy about it. Now I'm gonna take a few pictures of it to post them on Instagram, and I'm gonna go home because at the end of the week we have a Porsche day coming up in Auto Sport Design, and I want to be fresh for that. Till then, have a great day. If you did like the tints on my car, the smoked headlights if you will, hit the thumbs up. Why not? I know you want it. I know you do. And if you do like the little projects that I do, the lifestyle vlogs, the car shows I attend, subscribe for a lot more video to come. Hit that bell button as well. Till then, bye.